Thank you for joining this webinar. Uh, I think you all know the exact topic what we are discussing for. So the today seminar topic was procedural generations, letting AI building a game world. Like before starting, I'll tell something. Have you wonder how this game generation world is built? Do you have any idea how gaming are world are set up and all this gaming before starting all this gaming stuff like things? So how this world is generated? Have you any idea? Like first, I'll show my Steam account. I think if all you are a gamer, you can recognize all these things game. So just look at this game. So yeah, I have this game. So just check all this game and just ping me in comment section. Which game are 2D, which are 3D, and which are if you know that is not mandatory. If you know, then just ping me in comment sections. Which game are 2D, which are 3D, and which are 2.5D. Then I will go for it. Okay, each and every line I'll go for it. Just check that all these games. I think I have the all this much game. So anyone of any idea how this like game, or have you played any of this game before? So from this, tell me, which of these game are from 2D and which are in 3D? If you don't know about 2D and 3D, some 2D's game are like you can move from X and Y axis, not in Z axis. And from 3D means you can move from X axis, Y axis, and Z axis. So live, okay. So most of these game are in 3D, right? But before, in 1870, the basic game structure in 2D. So like, have you gone through the old game, retro game? It's in 2D, and all these are in pixel format. But now currently, maximum of our games are in 3D model. So these are all are generated from the different game engine. So basically many developer like big company and developer they're using like Unity, and some are using Unreal Engine 5. So these are basic the game engine that all these game are running. So if a Unity developer creates some games, okay, so for to set up that game, he need some basic structure and basic engines, so which he can render his games and his models. So, before these things, there is no particular game engine. But currently, we are in living in 2026. So, many of the we have free game engines. So, means a develop if a developer want to start a game, so his basic structure and basic stuff he can use to handle it. So, I'm getting away from my topic. So, coming to my topics, our main motive of this topic is procedural generations. So, I'll go for this topic, but introduction part, what I was talking about. If you go deeper, then it's like very vast things. But let's coming to our PG, that is procedural generations. It's refer to an algorithm where our game models are generated, and with that model also our game some features, some like wall generation, terrain generation, these are all created from procedural generation. So now as you all know, AI is like moving fast forward. So like today we're like using maximum of our work are we using in the AI. So in gaming industry also AI also have its vast field. And currently many of our games developer are they are replacing by AI. It's all true, but uh, I don't know if you feel bad for this, but it's true, many of our game developer are replaced by AI. So Crafton also, our game dev companies are there, like losing their field and their client. And some of our developer, they are not quite acquainted with like unique structure. So from the past 20 year, I mean to say, like our innovation in game development are little bit bad. So many gaming industry, they are not developing unique structure. Before that, what whenever 2D game were created, and that time to up to 2005, many progress, many development in gaming industry. But after 2005 and onwards, the development is coming to slow down. So many of the you may think like it's like threshold position of this game industry. That's why they are not developing. But no, that's not true. Knowledge is like infinite. You can, if you extract anything, and it will go on. So, but to replace this thing nowadays, our graphics card is we have like RTX 5080, something like graphics card is improving, and for that, okay, to run this games in like GPU, we have many like pre-built structure there. So for that, our gaming like experience should be bigger. So like have you played or heard about God of War and like Assassin's Creed or many all games? Yeah, I have this game. I can show you. Yeah, let's go for this game. Okay, Ghost of Tsushima. It's like a very best game from the last like 2 year. I'm playing this game. So and I'll go for this RDR special. This game. This is a masterpiece. So all these game are nowadays, see, for this like developer need to be manually created all these things from starting from its texture generations, its model generation to each and every coding, all are generated by developer. So for building this game, it like cost many times, many money and many patience also. And sometimes game are by developing games, some games are getting failed. So this is all at the waste of money, waste of time, and waste of knowledge. So to overcome this, like in gaming industry also, we have our AI model. So many models were using AI model were using like to build all terrain structure, all stuff that a developer can do manually. Yeah, definitely he can do manually, but it will cost him more time, more money, and more efficiency. So for that only, like developer using some AI model. So definitely it's like procedural generations. So before starting a game, what a developer should think. The question is what? The question is like that, before starting a game, what a developer should think. So basically he have some idea like for 3D games and all. So he want to make an terrain. Terrain means a world. So in that world, some like mountains are there. If it is a like good in environment rich game, so some mountain stuff are there, some household, some NPC, some like cattle structure are there. I'm give you one example. Okay, I'll go for this game. Okay, RDR, Red Dead Redemption. So like in that game, particular game, what the basic before starting this game, what a developer actually think. So the thing will like do generate one world, one terrain. So some beautiful structure are there, beautiful mess will be there, and trees are there, like all animal system was there, and in that game, so they'll add some like NPC model. So that NPC model acts some like different command. With different command, they will act differently. If you do something like that, they will act like that. If you do something like this, they will act like this, like that. That these are called NPC, like no means non-playable character. So for a game development, these all basic stuff, basic mess need to be created, and all these are coming under designing and the designing and introduction. So before this model things, all these things, they developers like a game company should hire first many designer. They'll design the terrain, lightning system, their NPC, the model, all these things. And this designing process cost many times and many effort also. Then they after designing, after prototype, they will go for rendering process. Like if so they will make some models. Okay, for like a tree is there, so they'll generate one tree. Some developer 3D modeler, they'll generate some tree. And if a horse is there, someone develop horse, someone develop some players, and all these are meshed into one final stuff. So before that, some like voice system will be also there. Some player act differently. Some like artists give their voices also. So in that process, many time will take and many unnecessary stuff will do. Like if a player act differently, uh, suppose me, I'm a player, I will hit an NPC. So that NPC will like sound differently. Don't kill me, like that, or run. Okay, if I like, I'll not hit him, I'll give him a rose. So what will react? So definitely that stop will be feed in that table, in that game NPC. So he'll react like, wow, thank you so much, like that. He will react, he or she will react. So these all stop, and these all script are generated by manually. Means developer are creating all the script, and every possibility in this game was created by all the developer, all these artists. And for this, many many money and many time will be taken. About GTA 5, have you heard about GTA 5? So GTA 5 was released in 2010, if I'm not wrong. So today 2025. So it's been 15 years since that next game GTA 6 is coming to launch. You know what this exactly means? They are taking many times. Why? If a game is so easy or so like messy, so why a developer company is taking much more time to build a game? So this is because of detailing. So if someone is taking more time for a game, they are adding much more detail in it, for starting from its visual to its like NPC reactions, it's all graphics, everything, each and every detailing they are focusing upon this. So this cost them many time, many money, and much more. So to tackle this, how if we're currently 2026 will go for player GTA 6. So will you wait for GTA 7 to 15 to 20 year after it will launch? Not exactly. We can't wait. Maybe some of us can not be available here. So this is the problem what we face, many game developer, many game company faced. So for this, they're taking much more time, much more effort, much more money. So to tackle this, we have some new models, as you mentioned before, we are in generation of AI. So for that only, our game development also need AI to rebuild itself. So this is where our topic procedural generation start. So basically, it's a refer to the algorithm creation of content such as environment, character, stories, entire world with minimal manual input. So basically, what our procedural generation help us is if a world is there, pre-built world is there. So a mesh structure we can add in there. If wall is not there, first of all we need to start on world, creating terrain, adding all this stuff. These are all time taking and costly effort. So what AI actually do here, they generate its automated default world, default terrain. These are all system are integrated in our, I'm not promoting all this gaming engine, but some of these gaming engines are using AI models. So I'll go for Unreal Engine 5. They are adding some AI stuff in it. So what they actually do, what this procedural generations help us to in gaming world. So suppose I'll give one example of a game called Minecraft. So it's a game, if you know, or it's a very popular game. Most of the time, COVID time 2020, many its game is on peak. Many gamers, YouTubers, they are playing this game. So basically, what exactly this game was in? This is like a mining game. So there are many multiplayer game. They'll join, they'll grind, they'll mine, they'll build whatever they want. And some developers are making much more things inside that game. I'll not go detail in that game, but I'll just put our AI model. What exactly in this game AI model we are using in? So they are in villager structures, where those are called NPCs, and they are rendering. If you go through this game now, so if you walk through this terrain, so it's like never-ending terrain. So if you know about Android, one of the most popular Android game, Subway Surfer or Temple Run. So there is a never-ending if you're running in that game, that game is only for running and all. So that's never ending terrain. So that running stuff, that platform never ends. So if you run score high, that world is generating automatically. So how basically this automated generator world they are actually work? So they are basically some pre-built stuff. And when a player running and reaching one particular line, after that line, that new terrain, a new chunk, what you call in gaming world, it's chunk, new chunk will be created. And after, before that chunk you passed, then some more chunk will be created, and that's generate automatically. They have some fuse like chunking structure they have, like 10 minimum 10 to 20. So with that they'll pick and random functions, and there that chunk will be generated after that. So in that manner, that old games are the work. But today we're living in 2025. So like that game and that stuff didn't work here. We have many other stuff. So as I mentioned before, if you like inside a game, if we hit someone, so he will react like don't kill me, like, or run away. So previously these are manually placed. So now we are in AI we are adding our AI model, that NPC react accordingly according to him. Like if you hit an NPC, so sometime maybe he will react like don't kill me, don't hit me, like that. Sometime he will like thank you for hitting me. Sometime he will be like you are hitting me, so I will hit you back, like that. So this things like a very exciting things. Okay, if a player is playing one game, so like every time he play this game from starting to end, he will experience something new differently. Like if the ending was like you kill the boss, that's the ending. But before killing but next time when you play this game, after killing the boss, maybe someone will be new boss, you need to kill that one. So every time, that means every time you play, so the like player will get excited, get in contact with all this model, all this game, because of AI model. So that gives the entire possibility, whatever possibilities there in that world, that NPC will give all this possibility. In that manner, a game will like hit for decades. If you don't know about GTA 5, till now many of these players are playing GTA 5. Even I have GTA 5. I'll show you. I'm playing. I think around uh how much hour? 205 hour I am playing. Officially, it's my officially. Before that, as pirate this game. I played that game, but this is my online stuff. I play around 205 hour in this game. So you know about how this game are actually like why this game are so exciting and so important, because it's a 2010 game until now. Means many game came, they died, but till now this game really work. Today also many gamers are playing this game. So this is because that exact differentness in that game. So I'll go for another example, like have you played like a BGMI or PUBG Mobile or Free Fire, any of you? So in that game, what happened? That ending was different. What it exactly means, if you like 100 people are there and they'll jump in a lobby, they'll go from flight, they'll jump in and land. So there they'll like collect stuff, and that circle will be there and it will be minimized, and they'll kill each other, like that. Okay, the last one who survived, he will be like the winner of this game. So every time you'll play that game. So there like the ending was different. If you die before five people dead, then it's different. If you die winner, it's different. Every time you play, it's different. That's why these game are getting popular, and people are getting addicted to this game. Why? Because every time you play, these are different. That environment is different. That action is different. If you died by vehicles, it's different. Sometimes you will die by someone will be like in shoot you from very far away. Someone will kill you in front to front. Like PvP combat, you will get killed, like that, many stuff. So these possibilities are generated by developer. Before that, there is no AI model they're creating this, because the like different player are playing this game. So for that only, it's getting like yeah, actually that of opponents is actually a player. And if I move this side, maybe he will move that side or those side. So according to them. So if like it's like a multiplayer game. So if coming to a story game, so what is story game actually? Story game means offline. These are offline game. So only one player will play this game, and all these things you can play it from offline. No need to like turn on your internet connection. So for story model game, so there is no like different outcome. You need to choose the like this one or that one. You'll die like before or after. So you have to go for a story. Okay, you have to complete the story, reach a level, and after that level, if you die, again restart from that level. So like that, there is no change and no like new structure, new technology that came in our gaming scenario in our story model game. So as I mentioned before, from 2005 onwards, there is no development in the gaming world and gaming terrain, gaming environment. So nowadays, if after coming AI, some new developer are researching upon new like games. So like I don't know about GTA 5, but as I can expect, GTA 5 is coming under sorry, GTA 6. As I expected, GTA 6 is coming under all this gaming AI model stuff. So let's hope and watch this game how it's running. So this, in this situation, that exact output what a like game will develop to it and gamer. So that exactly output, that experience need to be for like optifying and need to be clarified in clear in that gaming environment. So here, what like a gamer will need. First of all, first of all, a gamer will experience different ending. Like if different ending was there, different then the gamer will be get excited. Then they will play again and again. So for that, game like company, they will like earn something more. And from company side, what they get benefit. First of all, they don't need to hire many developer for this. So with few developer, they can perform and they can make this game. They don't need any artist for that. Like voice of artist, someone making like animation, someone like, making VFX. Not that much of VFX artists will be needed. So ultimately, their cost of that making this game will be reduced. And then come to their like effort. If one game is as I can mention, yeah, for GTA 6 it's taking 15 year to like complete this game. So for that, for if you will like go for procedural generation, so for that, no like delay in game, no, it will not take much of time to like complete this game, because maximum of work are done by AI. So it's better to this. And for this, like as I can mention before, not all work are done by AI, but some few work, some effort of developer done by AI. So as I can mention, as I mentioned before, Minecraft game. So previously, what Minecraft basic algorithm was in, means which in which algorithm he generate all his chunks, all his wall generations. So basically, I'll not go deeper, but overally, Minecraft is like using noise methodology to generate all this chunk. Means all of the blocks and all walls are generated from the like noise structure. It will get generated. Noise means if you go have you in like a 19's TV, they are like if the signal was not there, some like a noisy sound and picture will be there. So these are called noise. These are random things. So this randomness was method is using Minecraft is using this method to generate its chunk. So it's from its 1.4 to 12 update, Minecraft is using this randomness. But after that, what problem will get generated? Okay, some functions were there from that noisy function. They are generated their world. Okay, world is now generated. So if a player walk forward, then it's like infinite. You can move to ultimate render. Okay. So next point is in that game, they have some cave like structure, some like mess like structure, some like a village like structure was there, something different, mountain terrain structure are there. So if you consider about all these things, if noisy will come, then the player will know, can identify. Yeah, it's a building, it's a chunk, it's a mountain, it's a tree. So exactly to like optifine all these things, they are adding different layers also. With that first basic was noisy chunk was there. So in that chunk, they are adding different meshes. So like if a mountain will be there after like 12 kilometer, a mountain is will be generated. So exactly what will be the height of that mountain? What is the like width of a mountain? Is it look like our real life mountain terrain or something like different, floating something like in the air, like bending structure, tree structure, all these things. So to tackle all these things, they are like different small model of chunk was there. Some chunk model will be developed. It's like mountain structure. Some will generate its dungeon structure. Some will generate its cave structure. So this structure will be generated by automatically. But that seed will be will be given to if some seed is like 2587666. So that seed it will like generate in this manner, this manner, so that if a player going through a cave like structure, so he'll feel like, yeah, it's a real cave, like I never see that before, but all these stuff are there in that game. Okay, whenever you move that thing, move that thing, nothing is there that will be what repeated. So all this is what a player will get excited. Yeah, he'll get unlimited world, whatever he can go, wherever he can go. No, no, means every time he will move forward, there'll be no repeat. So these are all the basic things that what our procedural generations work. So our core technology behind procedural generation are what I'm what the technologies are there. Perlin, have you heard of Perlin and Simplex? If not, then these are the noisy function that generated the terrain and texture. Yeah, not only terrain, textures are also generated by our procedural generations. So coming to our next things, that is L system. L system are basically for trees and plants. So basically that model will help you to make a tree. So if a tree is like in summer, suppose in summer, the environment was in summer, so what the exactly leaves color are? Something like low leaf and more branches will be there. And if in winter, like some snow is like leaves will be there. And that lightning also affect all this model. So if raining was there, in which direction this tree will bend, which direction the snow will fall, it will move, it will react. All these structural models are generated by L system model. Then there our cellular automates. So definitely I'll go through this detail in cellular automate. So what cellular automate means? So basically maze and cave generation. Maze means something have you played? Many games are there like maze system. Many games are like cave system, as I mentioned before. Minecraft is using cave system. So they are using what? Cellular automate. So what cellular automate, how it will help to generate all the structure if means without using this manual structure and things. They'll automate, they'll check for that. I'll go a little bit before for that. Like a developer need to be like generate one cave system. That does not means AI will do all this stuff will be done by AI, and developer will be like sitting like the like and publisher will be published. No, developer need to be work with that. If a model is using a cellular automate, so means a developer need to be identify what the cave structure is actually in that cave, what the stuff will be there, what the mess in that inside that cave. Some if some iron was there, some copper will be there. These are all AI models. They are like acting differently. For L system, that trees and plant structure are generated, and cellular automate what that maze and cave dungeons. These are all created from cellular automate. These are all different model. So in a game, all these model are integrated in a single like world. So for that, as you mentioned, as you asked this question, procedural generations. These are all that part on the models of procedural generations that integrated in a single environment. So after this integrations, some modification will be there. No doubt, AI will also do some wrong things. So that's why continuous like checking and continuous checking will be useful to give a better performance game with limited resources and limited like model and environment. So
Sir,
coming to AI,
sir,
yeah.
sir, one more thing. As you also told that if uh, about AI contribution to the procedural generation in the game. Uh,
Yeah.
can I say that AI enhance procedural generation by applying intelligence algorithms such as machine learning and neural network?
Yeah, of course, definitely. I think from starting onwards, I explain all these things. If one character is there, so if I'm playing this one game. Okay, suppose X game is generated from procedural generations. So if I hit one player NPC in a game, so he might react differently. Sometimes he will get afraid. No, don't like hit me, don't kill me. Sometimes he will like overreacted. Yeah, you are hitting me, I will hit you back. Okay. Sometimes he will be like, okay, thank you for hitting me. Sometimes he'll run away. Sometimes he throw stone. Sometimes he'll throw anything he can do. So these are not pre-built things. These are built by AI model because AI model is integrated in that NPC. So all these functions, all these possibilities are generated automatically. So that this helps that the gamers more excited to and more interacting with that game. So this is what
Uh,
our AI model work, and its basic core is our what you say automation model.
yes, sir. And sir, one more question means as means I don't play much games, but I play the popular games you told that Minecraft.
Okay.
Minecraft is a purely procedural generation game, or any AI is used in Minecraft?
So currently, Minecraft is trying to integrate the AI. Before that, Minecraft was like a single developer game. So one developer named as Notch, he generated this game. So his at that time they are using noisy functions. They are not actually AI model at that time. So that some functions, randomness function, it will generate all this terrain, but not that mountain, not that cave, not that dungeon, not that trees are generated automatically. These are pre-built. Okay, this location, this tree will generated like it's a randomness. But currently, if you go through the latest version of Minecraft, it's 1.21.9, I think. So in that version, that mountain looks like real. And after moving to some extent, you will feel like snowy mountain. Then after some, like you feel like a desert mountain. Sometime if you move forward, you will experience all this environment whatever they are in our world. So this make this complete sense why in this scenario Minecraft is adapting all this function, all this uh, procedural generations model. So coming to maybe in future, it's all villages, all NPC will act differently. Currently, in Minecraft NPC model, they are not using AI because they act like it's genuine, but they are not using any AI model because it's much more complicated and can handle by common system because this game are running in our phone, mobile phone, and PC, normal PC. So they'll not load much to a device with using AI model. So they have their special algorithm. So in that algorithm, that villagers, that players will get react whatever a player input give you. But it's actually feel like yeah something different. They are getting something different. Some they may feel like yeah player may feel like yeah some game AI will be there in that villager or player. But actually they're not AI. There's some pre-built algorithm put in there. But Minecraft is trying to enhance its performance by interacting AI. So after it this model are not currently also this model are not completed. They are like research work is going on, and the developer are working separately to optify this game so that in low to low end device this all AI model will work. Is that
Thank
okay?
you, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's come to a conclusion. What exactly we learned in this session? So basically, what the core of the session was previously our gaming scenario, gaming structures, gaming what development was going on, what research work in going on in our 90s game. So they are stuck in 2005 or 6 onwards because no new development was there in gaming industry. But currently now AI is integrating in with gaming industry, so that's why its outcome is very vast. So the main problem of this AI integration is system dependency. So basically what system exactly we are using in, this system are not quite compatible to like execute this all game. So as I mentioned before, GTA 6. So basically GTA 6 is not compatible with 90% our current gaming stuff. So for that only, like PS5 and PS5 Pro, they are ready to launch GTA 6. So because they are specific, their hardware is compatible to handle all this AI stuff and all this scenario. So if gaming season and gaming technology will move forward, they will integrate AI in the model into their world. So the main problem was they need to be like integrate or do some more research so that in EG to EG system it will like run and with zero efficiency, with less with less problem it will act. So these are all what AI model and what the future of our gaming industry. So from this, I'd like to end these sessions, and thank you, from Oretes Consulting Private Limited for getting this webinar. And thank you all, guys.